Wow. Wow, 16 of 25? What? No, that can't be. So my mom has some people over and they require some music in the kitchen, and I don't really have a solution here at her place for it. But Klipsch just sent over the Sevens in the brand new Jurassic World Rebirth Edition with colossal sound. So I'm gonna unbox this and set it up, because what better time to set something up as when they actually need it. So let's get this unboxed and let's get these people some music. Colossal sound ahead. Interspecies symbiosis. Explore this exclusive partnership, and mission Jurassic World Rebirth. Experience the high stakes endeavor with your own ears. Okay. We've got literature, little help thing, and then, all the accessories. So we've got IEC 3-prong. It's probably the connector cable from one speaker to another. Probably not going to use this today. Just going to set up one speaker. Here's another, I guess this is an extension. That's kind of what it looks like. HDMI cable, if you're running HDMI eARC. Look at that, USB-A to USB-B cable. Haven't seen one of these in quite some time, but this is to connect up your computer. Would be better if this was USB-C, but hey, whatever. Holy cannoli. Let's open up the grill here. Ooh, this is actually really nice. I like this. Nice. Oh, here we go. Look at this. What is this? Look at that. Wow. Wow, 16 of 25? What? No, that can't be. Let's take a look at the back. We've got your IEC power port, fuse, on, off, your main power. We've got the secondary speaker out. We've got a ground if you want to run a turntable. We've got left and right phono in, and we can change that from line to phono with the switch. We've got an aux in, 3.5 millimeter for your aux cable, subwoofer output, optical input, USB audio input. We've got pairing for the Bluetooth button, and then you got to set this as either the left or the right speaker. And then we've got a service port USB and HDMI eARC. We've got a port here at the top. On the top here, we've got our source. Ooh, this is really nice. I can hear it clicking. Nice. We got a nice The Sevens logo and our volume. All right, let's go get this set up. All right, everybody, I got this set up. We're only doing the one thing, which is power. And then we're going to run this Bluetooth from my mom's phone, and we'll get this party cracking. I love the versatility of power speakers because they let you skip the extra gear and get straight into sound. Setting up to DJ in the kitchen was awesome. It got me to DJ or want to DJ or practice every time I was in the kitchen. I also used the Sevens for another party in the backyard where these were the only two speakers playing, and they put out a ton of sound covering the backyard, and the music can be heard in the house as well. These speakers just work. And if you want the Jurassic World Rebirth Limited Edition, sign up for a chance to win them. The link is in the description. However, if you're looking for the regular ones, they are on sale right now pretty much everywhere you look. I'll have some links down in the description as well. Thank you for watching, and a big shout out to Klipsch for sending these over. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.